Beans are the most underrated superfoods. People, in fact, say the more you eat them, the more you toot. But if you're avoiding beans because of their reputation, you're missing out on incredible health benefits. Apart from having many nutrients that support your health, there's evidence that consuming them may aid in weight loss. Here are ways beans can help you shed extra weight. 1. Boosts satiety and reduces cravings. Beans contain high fiber, which helps in digestion. Fiber also makes you full for longer, therefore eliminating the need to eat often. Plus, when you're full, you'll not crave for unhealthy snacks. Additionally, with high-fiber foods like beans, you chew for longer, which may decrease the amount of portion you eat. 2. Increase fat and calorie burning. Beans contain arginine, an amino acid that boosts carb and fat burning. But research also says that some beans contain glutamine that helps burn calories after meals. Also, beans contain fewer calories, which makes them an excellent food for those trying to lose weight. 3. Helps in blood sugar regulation. Beans are considered a low glycemic index food, which means they help regulate one's blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar levels are stable, it reduces your cravings, therefore you'll not snack or binge eat often. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, healthfitnessplanet.com/weight-loss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.